Okusima kwe kwijaho buyaba nahaye bikwato by'omu butongore ariko bikwata Apollo Tayebwa ori omushuganisa wa polisi kandi orabe nakora nk'akagambirizi wa polisi okusityo bararete kagambirizi wa polisi omusya omu butongore.
Welcome to this office.
Thank you so much.
Please. Yeah.
I think most of the people know what you're doing. They do appreciate. And he was my first friend because we shared the office, and he was the person who welcomed me.
He was being very instrumental in managing police business within the region. Why am I saying that he has been so instrumental? Because whatever incident that happened across the region, as DPCs will be feeding him with timely information and eventually if there is that information in the public.
SP Masho Tumusime bagaruka bamusimira ahabo kuguma amurimo gwe eshaha yona kandi obwire bwona obwokukora.
But we want to thank you very much on a personal note and then as a region for really being a professional officer. He has done his work diligently but in a professional manner. He has been a time manager.
SP Masho Tumusime wahumura emirimo ye omu butongore yasima abakozi bagenzi be abwenkoregana nungi eyibamworekire kandi nawe akakora gye emirimo.
Number one, I like, since I came here in 2012, I liked the cooperation of the RPCs who have been coming here and their deputies. Because as I reached here, my program was at least to plan and see how I can retire.
Apollo Tayebwa ori omushuganisa wa polisi kandi wakwatibwa entebe ey'obugambirizi bwa polisi yatamiza ko arikwija kukoragana na bagenzi be akakora kurungi emirimo ye hamwe na no kukoragana n'abanyamakuru omu muringo murungi.
I will be moving with all of us here and those personnel of ours whom we are representing here and are not here. I will ensure that I move so well with the media. I will ensure that not at any point I forget that we are because of the community.
Nduhura Ivani oryowe by'amateka yahamiza Masho Tumusime ngubo nk'abapolisi ababeire nakora nabo ngo nubeija okugumana bamukwatiraho hona ahararemero.
You don't die home. You also you've left officers who are friends. And even you things are tight, I find we are here for you. I can assure you, we are us, and some of us have had a chance to work with you. So be anything, you know what is killing us police officers.
SP Achari ya Godfrey or RPC wa Greater Ushenyi yashaba bagenzi be okurebera hari SP Tumusime Masho kandi baketegura okumura bukirkare ngo hakuba ko kubatetegwire bukirkare no ijobona bona.
In the rest, we need to keep consulting how we manage to run that race up to retirement. It is very, very important.
SP Masho Tumusime arukwayo ofisi ye omu butongore ahine byahabura omugambirizi wa polisi omusya okurebeka ngu yabitamwa amani.
As long as you sensitize people on child and family protection issues, domestic violence, then you expect at least less problems.
Aga Gashakwa Olivia na Asasira Awatayar West